Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign up not available due to restrictions in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to sign out from your Apple ID or from your iCloud account, you might see this type error that sign out is not available due to restrictions. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you just have to simply go back and you can try to update your software. Then go to the screen time section here. Just go to content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because your sign out is not available due to restrictions. So after disabling this toggle, your restrictions will be disabled so you will be able to sign out. So just disable restrictions and then retry to check. If you're still facing the same issue, just go back and here go to screen time again. Tap on this change screen time passcode, then tap on turn off passcode. Now here you have to enter your screen time passcode. You have to keep in mind that your screen time passcode is different from your Apple passcode. Your passcode you use to unlock your phone is different from your screen time passcode. So just enter your screen time passcode. If you don't remember, so you can try to use the forget password option to recover your password using Apple ID. And now once you have done, you just have to go back and tap on your Apple ID and you can check that now your issue has been fixed. Now you are able to sign out from your Apple ID. So in this way you can easily fix if your sign out is not working or is not available due to restrictions on your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.